Here's the bike upside down, and I'm gonna tell you what tools you need to get this, or if you got one at home somewhere laying down. It's one of these, the Allen keys, I think these are what it's called. I had this for years, even when I was biking a long time ago. But yeah, what you want to do is get it open. I'm gonna put it in and just twist. Which way? We don't know. This way. We twist it open. Make sure you don't lose. Oh, wait a second. Because I forgot how to use this camera. Right, make sure you don't lose these silver screws because there's a lot of them. But yeah, we're gonna unscrew it and get back to you. And of course, this is the brakes. This is the screws that came out of it as well. Pretty dirty. And make sure you guys wear gloves while you're doing this. I forgot, and my hands are dirty now, and my camera will get dirty, but that is fine.